Assalamu alaikum and good morning. This is Abid Garden. Today our topic is Syngonium. Syngonium is a superb indoor plant and looks stunning with its glossy, textured and patterned leaves, making it an excellent option to decorate bedrooms, living rooms, windows, tabletops, and corridors. Syngonium are the perfect house plant for the people with little to no plant care. Syngonium is also called arrowhead plant or goose foot owing to shape of its leaves. This plant can live a long time without fertilizer. These are fast growing creeper plants. These plants can be placed in almost any space with very little light and live a long time. This is a creeper, as you can see a line on the wall. Arrowhead plant can be grown in the house to invite positive energies. Native to tropical rainforests in southern Mexico, the West Indies, Central and South America are its homes. This can be 3 to 6 feet tall but can rise up to 20 meters in trees. First we will make soil for planting Syngonium. This is a pot, a big and a small pot, and we will mix it with a sillet obtained from canals, sand mixed with soil, and mix it with cow dung and fill this pot. This is a hole for seepage of water. We will put a piece of old pot and fill both pots to plant Syngonium tree. The leaves of Syngonium change shape according to the plant's stage of growth. However, some pruning can keep them in manageable size. Researchers from NASA and other organizations have approved this plant as an air purifier. Syngonium absorbs pollutants into their leaves and the toxins go to the root where they are transformed into nutrients for the plant. The gorgeous house plant prefers indirect sunlight, bright sunlight, but also thrives well in a semi-shaded area. It, however, does not tolerate direct sunlight. Give your plant regular misting to keep it happy. They like high temperature and high humidity. Water this plant regularly during spring and summer at least twice a week to maintain soil moist. But do not let the soil become soggy. Reduce the frequency of watering during winter, which may be once a week. I am filling this pots with the mixture of sillet and cow dung to plant the Syngonium trees. Syngonium can climb or spread as ground cover and cause a beautiful look. Be careful. All parts of Syngonium are poisonous and cause severe mouth pain if eaten or swallowed. It may cause gastric irritation, burning sensation of lips, mouth, tongue and throat, followed by swelling. So if you or any other body swallow or eat its leaves or any part, seek urgent medical advice to avoid any problem. The pots are now ready, and we will now get stems of this plant. This is another plant. We will select good stems which have also some roots on it. Its roots are not in the soil but also outside the soil. We are here to see beautiful and long stems and cut it with a scissor to avoid any damage to them. We will take 2 stems. These plants varieties with pink, reddish or white markings require development in a well lit place. Plants with darker green leaves can be grown in a dark place too. We have cut one branch, and this is another branch. It is here attached to the main branch, and we have cut it from here, and these are its roots, tiny roots. We will grow it in the pot or in water. The main plant is beautiful. You can tie it with a rope of cotton or jute with a support you can see in the pot. This is the pot which we prepared for planting the Syngonium tree. Dig it well with a tool of gardening. This plant requires regular fertilizer weekly or monthly basis. Eggshell powder and NPK are good for this plant. Cut the extra leaves as hairs are cut for the children. They will grow well with less leaves. As roots are with it, it will grow faster and will not dry. Dig a hole and put the plant in it and cover it with the soil. Press gently and support it with some pipe with coconut and tie it with some rope of cotton or jute so that it can climb it. This support, this is a plastic pipe covered with coconut leaves or water it and keep it in shady area. This is a tree shady area, as I will show you. It likes shade. Inshallah we will meet in another video next time. Till that time, Allah Hafiz.